So a sweet follower requested that I make Guyanese demico hamburger milkshake. Now I never been in them people kitchen, so I'd be lying if I say I know their recipe. But let me show you how I would replicate something like this. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and make my version of a Guyanese style beef burger. So here I have some ground beef, and I will be seasoning it with some garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some chicken bouillon. If you have beef bouillon, use that instead. So I just went ahead and combined all the seasonings, and then I added it to the ground beef along with some fresh green seasoning. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, we'll go ahead and form our patties. This is just a little gadget I had sitting inside of my cupboard for over 2-3 years or so, and I don't really use it. So this is the perfect opportunity. So I'll go ahead and just add my ground beef to the little gadget, and yeah, just form it into little patties. Once it is formed, we'll remove it, and it's so simple and easy. But you do not have to buy this, guys. If you don't have this, I'll show you how you can just make regular patties with your bare hands. Now we're going to go ahead and form the handmade patties. You're going to form it into a ball first, and then you're just going to press it down until it reaches the shape that you desire. You're going to just keep fixing it until it comes together into a round patty. And that's it. It does not have to be perfect. Just set that to the side, and this is how they look once they were done. Now we're going to fix up a quick sauce for the burgers using ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Mix that well and set it to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and fry up our patties. I'm going to fry 2 at a time so I don't overcrowd the skillet. And you want to fry these on medium-low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes per side. Just cook it to your desired doneness. I like mine well done, so I'll cook these for about 6 minutes per side. And yeah, we're going to carry on with this process until we're all done. The last minute, you're going to place your cheese. If you want cheese, you're going to place it over top and let it melt. And once it is done, remove and set aside. Now let's go ahead and assemble our burgers. Today I'll be using brioche bun. I went ahead and toast it on both sides, and we're going to place that sauce that we made on both sides of the bun. Put as much or as little as you like. Next, I'm going to add some fresh cucumbers because that's what we used back in Guyana when I was growing up. We're going to add a tomato and some lettuce. We're going to place our patty and our cheese. Sit the next part of the bun over top, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple, guys. But this is so delish. Now let's make a vanilla milkshake. Quick, easy, and simple as well, guys. It's no big work or anything. It is so simple. You're going to add some ice cream to a blender. Once that is done, add some milk. You want to blend it up. I like my milkshake on the runny side, but if you like yours more thick, add less milk. And yeah, that's basically it. I just added some whipped cream over top with some caramel syrup, and this was chef's kiss. And here you have it, my replica of Guyanese demico hamburger and milkshake. I hope this met all your expectations, the person that requested this recipe. And yeah, give it a try. It was so delicious, flavorful, and juicy. Look at that patty, perfectly cooked on the inside. So like I said, give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.